Muthia thutha wa gukoretiririo kwa ihinda ngirimiti ya ngwataniro ya One Kenya Alliance nimekiraniire umuthi na yarehe hamwe ciama ithatu ngurani cia kiuteti iria inyitanite niguo kugacirithia mieke yao githurano-ini kinene kia mwaka uyu. Atongoria wa Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka na muikariri gito wa KANU Gideon Moi undu umwe na mathakaru wa One Kenya nio matongoririe mihango ino ya gwikanirira ngirimiti ya oka neri eguciriirie ciama ingi ta UDP ya Cyrus Jirogo, Irungu Nyakera wa Farmers Party na David Ochieng wa MDG othe makihinyiriria ati unyitaniri uyu wao no wa guturana ni mehariirie wega guthie kurehe mogaruruku bururi-ini.
And that those of us who have chosen to be here this morning have chosen the right path, because we as Oka, based on what we've gone through for the last 1 month, know where we want to take this country.
We are not here by mistake or by accident, because we believe in the vision of One Kenya, in the vision of actually where all of us as one, we have the right to belong in one space where we feel that we share similar values.
We have stayed together without any formal agreement, not with a gun to our heads, but because we were willing to associate with one another.
Gatagati-ini ka ngirimiti ino ni mĩario ĩrĩa makoretwo magĩtabania na ngwatanĩro ya Azimio la Umoja itanya-inĩ rĩa kũnyitana harĩ gwetha kura cia gĩthurano gĩũkĩte. Oka ĩkiuga nĩ ĩharĩirie kũnyitanĩra na atongoria angĩ no makahinyĩrĩria mĩario ĩyo no nginya ĩkorwo na ũtheri hatarĩ kwĩhithanĩra.
Oka will demand from other coalition partners, if we were to go into any other coalition, openness. We will not tolerate opaqueness. We will not play second fiddle. We go in as equals.
And we have made sacrifices before. We are ready to make more sacrifices. But we also expect the Kenyans will know that no individual is indispensable.
No na kuri uguo kana irutite mukana kuri ngwataniro ya Azimio hari gukamura uria ukarirukie bendera ya ngwataniro ya githurano-ini giukite, makiuga no nginya itua riu rigakinyanirio na njira ya kuiguithaniria hatari guthingiriria gikundi kimwe kana kingi. Wona korwo ti uguo ni mehariirie kurugamia muhũranĩri wa president wao mari wike githurano-ini giukite.
We don't want to be told this is predetermined. Yes. We want total openness, mutual respect and equality. So that if we cede ground, we cede because we think this is the thing to do, not with a gun to our head.
This journey we're going, we all know where it's going to culminate in. But the most important and primary reason for this journey is the people of Kenya.
We will talk to other formations similar to ours, but that does not put a lead on us also going it alone. We are still open. We're still discussing. There are things that are going on, and we believe if they go on well, we will be a bigger team. If not, this is a good representation of the Republic of Kenya.
And that's why we have also really stressed structured dialogue. The story therefore may not end here, because we'll talk about like-minded political formations.
Ngirimiti ino riu itanyitwo kuhe atongoria ngwataniro yao kahinya magithie kwaranĩria na atongoria ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja. Kuona riu no matetera mũrũgamo ta ngwataniro ya ciama ithathatũ cia kiuteti na iria no yo ĩrĩkĩtie kwandĩkithio gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ.
Thank you.
Ngirivotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.